Hey guys, and welcome to a rainy day update on my garden. I wanted to show you guys what's been going on. Now, not a whole lot has changed since the last time I showed you guys my garden, although my potatoes do look about ready to be harvested. I have this random leek. It's doing good. It's the only one that has survived. My garlic from a previous video is doing really well. They're looking healthy and getting bigger every day, along with these tomatoes that I believe might be some of the vine ripe ones that I planted this early spring. Here I have corn. I started these about a week and a half ago. They're doing pretty good. They're growing really fast. That's in place of the radishes. That didn't work out, but I do have one lone carrot. Unfortunately, I did have to pull my broccoli out also, but I got a tomato forest. I planted some of these, and then some of them are kind of like wild tomatoes, so I'm not exactly sure what variety they are, due to I took dirt from my compost, which must have had seeds mixed in, and some of these tomatoes just started sprouting out of nowhere. Here is a look at my pumpkins that I started also this spring. They're doing okay as far as pumpkins go. They're not as big as I would hope, so I'm just hoping I get any kind of a pumpkin off of it. This bag of potatoes looks like it's about ready to be harvested as well. And a quick look at my Gladiola garden. I'm actually really happy because I noticed that some of these are starting to produce the flower part of the Gladiola. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at this.